Hello everyone, welcome to our grammar video on subject-verb agreement. This is very important topic in English grammar, so watch the video till the end. Before entering into the topic, if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement refers to the correspondence between the subject and verb in a sentence, where the verb changes form to match the number, singular or plural, and person, first, second or third person of the subject. So basic rules in this subject-verb agreement are: first one, if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular as well. For example, the boy plays basketball. The subject boy is singular. The verb plays is also in singular form. Here the tip is, for singular subjects, the verb must be singular. For singular verbs, add s or es. First, second and third persons all are singular subjects. All will take singular verbs only. But for first person and second person, do not add s or es to the verb. But for third person, he, she, it, we have to add s or es to the verb. Means, see the example, I write, you write. But for third person, he writes, she writes. Next rule, if the subject is plural, verb must be plural as well. Example, the boys play basketball. The subject boys is plural. The verb play is also in plural form. Here the another tip is, for plural verbs, do not add s or es. Just write as it is the verb play. For singular verb, we have used the boy plays. In plural verb, the boys play. Next rule, compound subjects joined by and usually take a plural verb because they represent more than one entity. Example, the dog and the cat are friends. The subjects dog and cat are plural. The verb are is also in plural form. Next rule, collective nouns such as team or family might take either a singular or plural verb depending on whether the group acts as a singular unit or as individual members. For example, the team wins every game. Here, team is a collective noun treated as singular, so the verb used is wins. The team are arguing among themselves. Here, team is treated as individual members, that is plural. So the verb used is are, plural verb. Now pause the video for a while and try these examples and come back to check answers. First question, mom is singular, so the verb also singular. So we take cooks. Mom cooks breakfast at 7. Next one, Jane is singular, so singular verb brings lunch to school. Third question, Rosa and Matt, compound subjects, plural, so take plural verb clean. Rosa and Matt clean the classroom every Tuesday. The parents always, here the subject parents is a collective noun taken as singular, so agrees. The parents always agrees with the teacher. Fifth question, here the subject is children, plural, so take the plural verb play. The children play in the playground. So till now we have completed the basic rules. Now special cases in the subject-verb agreement. Do not let the phrase between the subject and the verb trick you. Means the subject is what the verb agrees with, not a noun or pronoun in the phrase. For example, one of the gifts is open. The subject in this sentence is one, not gifts. So it is a singular. Since the subject one is singular, we have to take singular verb, that is. One of the gifts is open. Now pause the video for a while and try these examples and come back to check answers. The students as well as parents. Here students is the subject, plural, so verb is plural, plan. Second one, the student who competed in the competition. Here the subject is student, singular, so verb is also singular, honors. Third one, the goal of the girls. Here the subject is goal, not girls. So goal is singular, so singular verb, that is. The goal of the girls is to collect funds for the victim of the typhoon. Next rule, if one subject is singular and the other is plural and they are connected by the words or, nor, neither or nor, either or are, and not only or but also, use the subject that is closest to the verb. Means, example, either the leader or the members agree. The subjects in this sentence are leader and members, and agree is the verb. Members is the closest subject to the verb. So, as members is plural, we are taken plural verb, that is agree. Try these examples. Now see the answers. Either the cats or the dog. Here, dog is nearest to verb, that is singular, so take the singular verb eats. Second question, neither the mother nor the children. So nearest subject to the verb is children. It is plural, so take the plural verb no. Neither the mother nor the children know the way to the mall. Third question, not only the principal but also the teachers. Here teachers is nearest to the verb. Teachers is plural. Take the plural verb. Submit. Not only the principal but also the teachers submit the files every weekend. Fourth one, Sean or Richard. Here Richard is nearest subject to the verb. It is singular, so take the singular verb has brought. Next rule, subjects that come after the verb, especially in questions and certain constructions, still need to agree in number. If sentence start with there, where or here, the subject will always come after the verb. Examples, there are children outside. Subject of sentence is children and the verb is are. Here subject come after the verb. Where are the keys? Here subject is keys and the verb is are. Try these examples. See the answers. Here, the mail today. Mail is singular, so verb is singular is. Second one, there, chocolates in the fridge. Chocolates is plural, so take the plural verb are. Third one, there, a haunted house near the road. Haunted house, it is a singular, so take the singular verb was. Fourth one, here, the answer to your question from yesterday. The answer is singular, so take the singular verb is. Next rule, rule number 4. The indefinite pronouns each, each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anyone, nobody, somebody, someone and no one are all singular and need a singular verb. Example, everyone in the room supports her. The subject in this sentence is everyone. Since the subject everyone is singular, the verb must be singular, that is supports. Rule number 5. The indefinite pronouns both, few, fewer, many, others and several are always plural and require a plural verb. Example, both agree to the conditions. The subject in this sentence is both. Since the subject is both plural, the verb must be plural, that is agree. Many were invited. Here many is the subject plural and the verb were is also plural. Try these examples. Now see the answers. Everybody like apple pie. Everybody is a singular subject, so verb also singular, so take likes. Everybody likes apple pie. Few is considered as plural subject, so verb also plural, that is want. Few want to be a part of organization. Third one, someone blank the water dispenser every day. Someone is singular subject, so verb is also singular, refills. Fourth one, both blank that color. Both is considered as plural, take the plural verb match. Fifth one, nobody blank to the morning announcement. Nobody is considered as singular, so verb is also singular, that is listens. Rule number 6. Nouns like economics, politics, measles, mathematics, dollars and news need singular verbs. For example, mathematics is a hard subject for many. The subject in this sentence is mathematics. It is treated as singular subject. So, take the singular verb, that is. Rule number 7. When noun is plural like scissors, glasses, tweezers, shorts, trousers, shears or binoculars, the verb must also be plural. Example, the trousers fit an average teenager. Here trousers is considered as plural subject, so verb is also plural, that is fit. Now try these examples. Now see the answers. The binoculars blank dirty. Binoculars is a plural subject, so take the plural verb, that is are. Binoculars are dirty, so it's hard to use them. Second one, the news blank live. News is considered as a singular subject, so take the singular verb is. The news is live. The scissors, here the scissors is considered as plural subject, so verb also plural, that is need. The scissors need shaping. Shorts is a plural subject, so take the plural verb are. Shorts are not allowed in the building. Thank you for watching.